morning, everyone. Our topic today is about parabola. By the way, what is parabola? The parabola is a set of all points in a plane equidistant from a fixed point and fixed line in the plane. So, I have here two examples. The first one is, find the equation of parabola with a vertex at the origin and a directrix of x is equal to -3. So the first step in analyzing a conic section is to sketch the graph of the given parts of the question. So we have vertex at the origin and a directrix of x is equal to -3. Vertex at the origin, which means our vertex is here, point 0, and a directrix of x is equal to -3 along the x-axis. So here, -3, we all know that our vertex is the midpoint of our directrix and focus, so it means the distance of vertex to directrix is also the distance of vertex to focus. So, to find our focus, let's count the number of units of vertex to directrix. So, now, let's count 1, 2, 3. So we have 3 units. So we have to count to the right side to locate our focus. So 1, 2, 3. So now our focus is 3, 0. It is obvious that our parabola is facing to the right. So we have to use the formula. This formula, y squared is equal to 4ax. The value of a here is the number of units from vertex to directrix. So our a is 3. So y squared is equal to 4. The value of a, which is 3. Therefore, we have y squared is equal to 4 times 3. It's 12x. So now, we can locate our endpoint of latus rectum. It is number 12. We're gonna branch it into 2. So we have 6. And our endpoint of latus rectum is 3, 6, and point 3, -6. Now, let's sketch our endpoint of latus rectum, which is 3, 6. So here, and 3, -6. So this is now our equation of parabola given the vertex at the origin and a directrix of x is equal to -3. So what if our vertex is no longer at the point of origin? So here we are now to my second example. Find the vertex, focus, and directrix of the parabola x squared minus 2x plus 8y plus 9 is equal to 0. Sketch the graph. So in order to do, it's gonna helpful if we put this into standard form. So we're gonna arrive in this formula, x minus x squared is equal to -4a times y minus k. So our given x squared minus 2x plus 8y plus 9 is equal to 0. So the first step here is we have to complete the squares. So x squared minus 2x, we're gonna get the half of this, so plus 1 is equal to negative because we just transpose it, so it becomes negative and -9. So in order to make our equation balance, we just added 1 on the left side, so we need to add also in the right side. So plus 1. Therefore, we have x minus 1 squared is equal to negative 8y minus 8. Now, x minus 1 is equal to negative 8 times y minus 1. So, we have now our standard form. We can locate now our HK, our vertex and our focus, and also our endpoint of latus rectum. HK stands for our vertex, which is 1 and negative 1, and our focus is 1 and negative 3, and our directrix, our fixed line, is along the y-axis 1, and our endpoint of latus rectum, which is 8, and we're gonna branch it into 2, so 4. So now we have our endpoint of latus rectum, which is 5 and negative 3 and negative 3, negative 3. So now let's sketch our graph. The vertex, which is 1 and negative 1. Our focus, which is 1 and negative 3. Directrix, which is along the y-axis. And our endpoint of latus rectum, which is 4. We're gonna move 4 units to the right side and 4 units from focus to the left side. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. So at 5 and negative 3, and negative 3, negative 3. This is now our equation of parabola given x squared minus 2x plus 8y plus 9 is equal to 0.